Hello everyone. We are going to present an innovative project to you, which is visualizing and predicting heart disease with an interactive dashboard. Our team consists of 4 members, including myself. I am SASMITHA. My teammates are Rishwana, Burveen, SOUNDHARYA, and then Shiny RESHMA. In this presentation, we are going to see about introduction, data analytics, abstract, heart disease prediction, data sets, data visualization and exploration of dataset, app coding, app demonstration, conclusion, and then finally future scope. Our project is based on data analytics. Data analytics is the process of examining data sets in order to find trends and draw conclusions about the information they contain. Increasingly, data analytics is done with the aid of specialized systems and software. Data analytics technologies and techniques are widely used in commercial industries to enable organizations to make more informed business decisions. Scientists and researchers are also use analytics tools to verify or disprove scientific models, theories, and then hypotheses. Or project abstract. A project abstract is one of the leading causes of morbidity and mortality among the global population is heart disease. One of the most crucial topics in the clinical data analysis subsection is the prediction of cardiovascular disease. The volume of information in the healthcare sector is enormous. The vast amount of unprocessed healthcare data is transformed via data mining into knowledge that may be used to make forecast and educated judgments. The main cause of death for both men and women is heart disease. This makes heart disease a serious issue that has to be addressed. However, because of numerous contributing risk factors including diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and irregular pulse rate, and many other factors, can be challenging to diagnose heart disease. Due to such constraints, scientists have turned towards modern approaches like data mining and machine learning for predicting the disease. Here, in this project, we are using both machine learning and data analytics to build our app. Now, I hand over the session to Shiny RESHMA.
We are taking two data sets into account. The two data sets which have one have a 14 parameter and the other have a 13 parameter, which is used to predict the heart disease of a user. One is the parameters are age, sex, blood pressure, chest pain type, cholesterol, FPGS over 120, maximum HR, thallium, number of blood vessels, ST depression, exercise angina, slope of ST. These parameters are used to predict if the user has a heart disease or not. We can take any number of parameters, even though in study that we have 76 parameters, but we are only taking this 14 because this 14 helps to accurate measurement of the prediction of heart disease, such as age. You can see the age can be age people who have a angina problem can be classified into special category. The same way in sex men have more heart attack chances than women, said, and these we are loading to Jupyter Notebook for prediction. This is the 13 parameter data set. Here we are using a mining technique known as linear regression, and for the other thing we are using a 5 mining techniques, that is a linear regression, k nearest map, decision tree, support vector, random forest classifier. These are the things we are using for the other 14 parameters. These 5 mining techniques helps us to prediction and for data set using Jupyter Notebook. And then we have also did a visualization of data. In data visualization part, we can see that we have created a table chart using heart disease for chest pain type and sex, and we have created multiple data visualizations like this using table and column chart, and we have also done a data exploration, and my friend will be taking over from here.
Now I'm going to demonstrate app coding and app demo. Actually, here in our project, we divide the project into two main sections. The first one is a prediction app, which is used to predict whether the user have heart disease or not. And then second one is a main app. In this main app, we are going to embed the prediction app in it, and it also consists of a dashboard, a report and story, which is made from the Cognos Analytics. Let me first show you the app coding. These are the codings which we require to build the prediction app. This is a main code for to create the app, and this is a prediction.py, which is used to predict whether the user have heart disease or not. we are going to use this dataset, which means a hot Cleveland upload dataset, to predict whether the user have heart disease or not. These are the requirement which we needed to build the app. We are going to build this app using the Python Flask, and other than we are using the Python libraries NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, and then in the front end of the prediction app consists of a two part. First one is a main.html and the second one is a result.html. In this main.html, it is used to show the user input form, and in this result.html, it is used to show whether the user has a heart disease or not. And this app is finally deployed on Heroku Cloud, and this link is used to embed in the main app. And in the second part, we are going to see about main app. In this main app, we are also going to embed the dashboard report story, which is made from the Cognos Analytics. Now let me show you my Cognos Analytics. Now I am going to show about dashboard report story. These are the dashboard which are made using the Cognos Analytics. We made 10 dashboards. Other than dashboard, we also made a story. We have made 15 scenes for story, and then we also made a report. In this report, we have made 7 reports with the data visualization and the brief detail about this. We are going to embed these things into our main app. Now I am going to show the coding to build our main app. Actually, our main app is made using the many languages. For the front end, we are using the HTML, CSS and the JavaScript, and for the back end, we are using the PHP. These are the codings we are used in our to build our main app. The first page is a index.html, which consists of the sign up and login page code, and then other than that, we are having the home page. In the home page, which is used to show the dashboard, report, story and the prediction app. The dashboard is embedded using this code, and the report is embedded using this code, and the story is embedded using this code. And we have one more thing, which is the connection.php, which is used to connect our code to the database. Here we are using the MySQL database. Let me show you once again. Now I am moving to my database. I am using the MySQL database, which is managed by using the phpMyAdmin. I have created the database name Rishwana, and inside I have created the many tables like registration table, login table and the feedback table, which is used to store the user information. In the registration, I have created the table with the columns like ID, TXT, email, password and code. The TXT is name of the user, and the email is used to store the email of the user, and the password is used to store the password used in the sign up form, and the code in this code column is used to send the OTP, the verification code for the user. And other than, I have created the tables like login and feedback. Now I am going to show the code once again. Here in this code, I am also embedded the this is the app which I have deployed on Heroku Cloud, the prediction app, which is also embedded in the home.html. Now let me show my app demo. First we move to our app. This is our app page. It consists of the sign up and the login in the first page. It is locally run by using the SCAM server. By using the server, it is running. Actually, we already signed up using this mail ID, so let me delete this mail ID in my database first. Actually, it sign up form validate the mail ID. So once you register, you can't register by using this mail ID. So actually, to sign up, I am deleting this mail ID. So I am creating the new one for this username Burveen and the mail address gmail.com, and for password I am using giving shoot, and I am sign up using this mail ID. once it is sign up, it will redirect it to the home page, and we also get a confirmation mail. Yeah, it's redirected to the home page. Let me show the mail. You can see here. Dear Rishwana, Burveen, you have successfully registered in our app, and now we move to the app. We can also log in. We can also log in to enter the home page. Let me show you a login form. The mail ID I am using is Rishwana Burveen3097@gmail.com, and I am using the password or search you, and I am login. We can also log in through Facebook, Twitter, and the Google, and we also have a function forget your password. If I forget my password, I can use this. It can update your password by using the OTP and the confirmation mail, and lot of information is behind this. Now let me log in. Once I'm logging, it is redirected to the home page. This is a home page. We can in the prediction form, we have add the prediction form in the two tabs. One, the get started. If I press get started, it will move to the prediction form, and other one, we have prediction. If we double click this, it will redirect it to the prediction page. And then analytics. In the analytics, I have embedded the dashboard report storing in this. Kindly note this. The kindly log into your IBM account and allow pop-up redirection, otherwise you won't be able to see analytics. You must have IBM account to see this dashboard report story, otherwise you won't be able to see analytics. Other than that, the prevention, I have put diet chart for patients, and the prevention measure, 8 prevention measure to avoid the heart disease. These are if I click this, it will redirect it to this. Let me show you briefly. Wait a second. And the my account, in the my account, it shows the user stored detail in the databases, and the feedback. In the feedback, we can give ratings and suggestion in for the app. It is given by the user by using the feedback form. And the settings, we can delete the account by using the setting option. And we have a profile picture, and it shows the username, and it is a logout button. Okay, now let me show you one by one everything. First, I move on to the prediction form. In the prediction form, I'm pressing get started, double click. It redirected to the our app, prediction app. Now I'm randomly select everything, and it will show whether what the result is, whether the user have a heart disease or not. Now I'm putting the details which shows the user have a heart disease. I'm selecting age equal to 20, and the gender female, and the adjustment type typical, resting blood pressure now 105, serum cholesterol 300, FPS less than 120 mgdl. Resting ECG result normal. Max heart rate I'm putting 150, it is much greater. Exercise induced angina, which is yes, and ST depression 4. Slope of the peak I'm putting upsloping. Measures I have a 3. Thalassemia I have put reversible defect. Now I'm predict this, it will show the result. I'm pressing predict. Yeah, it shows oops, you have a chances of heart disease. So it working. Finally, it shows the result whether the user have a heart disease or not. Now I am redirected to home page by pressing the back button. Now I am showing prediction. If we also press a double click, it will redirect to the prediction form. Let me show this. Yeah, it show like this. We are already done this, so we move to the other features. For analytics, we have a dashboard report story. It will ask me to log into our IBM account. First, I am going to dashboard. When I double click this, it will redirect to the dashboard page, dashboard.html. Actually, I already logged in, so it doesn't ask me to log in. So I have made nearly 10 dashboards, uh, which are which show some specific data. Let me expand this. db1, db2. Now I am pressing. I have actually had many filters. Now I filtered, add filter like age is equal to 1 and age equal to 35. It will show the details related to this. Yeah, you got this. Okay. Now I am showing dashboard one by one. This is a dashboard 1. This is a dashboard 2. The dashboard 2 defines the cholesterol by age and gender. This is a dashboard 3, which is a max HR by heart disease and excess angina. The dashboard 4, BP by age and gender. You can select like this. If you put like this, it will show like this. You can see for the age 39, it results show like this, and the heart disease person have 1 and its average BP is 118. Like this, it will show filter. TP6. Okay, now it's now I have shown all my dashboards which I have embedded in my app. Let's now move on to the home page, and I will show the report which I have been embedded. Yeah, these are the report which I have been made it. It shows a data visualization, and this is a detail of this data visualization. I can press page down. I have nearly made 7 reports. I will show everything one by one. You can see here. Okay, I have showed all my 7 pages in my report. Now I move back to the home page and let me show story, and this is story. Right, finally loads. Okay, I am entering full screen. Let me show you. First time play. You can see here the story. I have made 15 scenes. I will let you show 15 scenes one by one. Okay, and now it is a last scene, which is a thank you. Okay, now we exit and we see another feature. And then prevention, I have made 2 links, which is a prevention measure, which shows 8 prevention measure to all heart diseases. Like this you can show. Okay, okay, you can see here like this. Okay, I have shown you last 2 links, and then we move on to the my account. The my account, which is used to store database detail, and then setting it have a delete account. Okay, and then we move to the feedback. The feedback, if we press, it will ask what do you think about the quality of flag I will print. Okay, and I will randomly press some numbers. It is the website was so good. Okay, if I submit this form, yeah, thank you for your feedback, we will appreciate. Yeah, okay. Okay, finally I have shown all the features I have been embedded in the app. Now I'm going to hand over the session to Ms. Shiny RESHMA to conclude the presentation.
Conclusion. In the conclusion part, we can see that we are using a data set to predict the heart disease, which are the previous medical histories, and the data sets includes the parameters such as heart, chest pain, age, sugar level, etc. And we are constructing a dashboard using this, and the relationship between these attributes are shown. And a machine learning model is created which can help predict if the user has a heart disease, and the proposed solution has a lot of risk factors which may affect the result produced by the app, which may lead to less accurate or wrong results. And these can be identified by only by medical professionals. Future scope is we can use more accurate data sets which helps to increase the accuracy of the parameters, and the doctors and the patients user can interact in a live session, and the dashboards can have more charts and relationship which helps us to create connect which helps us to create new relationships, and it can also be connected using a smart watch which helps the user to connect to the nearby hospitals when the user has a sudden heart attack. Thank you.